Samsung's Galaxy S26 Ultra isn't just another smartphone, it's shaping up to be the pinnacle of Android innovation for 2026. Expected to launch in February 2026, this device could completely redefine what a flagship phone should look like, feel like, and perform like. With a new titanium-grade design, lightning-fast 2nm chip, smarter Galaxy AI, and camera upgrades that could finally challenge Apple again, the S26 Ultra is Samsung's boldest step forward yet. So let's dive deep into what makes the Galaxy S26 Ultra a device worth waiting for. Design and hardware. Sleeker, stronger, smarter, code-named Miracle, the Galaxy S26 Ultra marks a turning point in Samsung's design language. At just 7.9mm thin and weighing 217 grams, it's slimmer and lighter than last year's Ultra, yet feels sturdier thanks to a refined titanium frame and third-generation Gorilla Armor glass on the front. That new glass doesn't just boost scratch resistance, it kills reflections, making outdoor use a joy. Add slimmer bezels, smoother edges, and a more balanced curve, and you've got one of the most polished phones Samsung has ever built. And yes, Samsung is bringing back a pill-shaped camera island. The new design isn't just for looks. The upgraded sensors inside simply wouldn't fit within the older floating lens layout. Expect a subtle camera bump, but also an unmistakably premium finish. Display: brighter, thinner, and more private. Samsung's 6.9-inch dynamic AMOLED 2X panel gets a massive internal redesign. Using Co-E, color filter on encapsulation tech, and a new PDL layer, it lets more light through, boosting brightness and clarity while cutting power draw. Pair that with M14 OLED material and the new anti-reflective Gorilla Armor, and the S26 Ultra's screen should shine even under harsh sunlight. But here's the real innovation: AI Magic Flex Screen. This clever feature uses AI to tweak pixel behavior in real time, automatically creating a built-in privacy filter when needed. Open sensitive apps and only you can view what's on screen. No film, no fuss. Pure software magic. S Pen lives. On the built-in S Pen stays, for now. Samsung may remove it next year to slim things down even more, but the S26 Ultra keeps it right where fans want it. However, Bluetooth features are still gone, making it more of a precision drawing and note-taking tool than a remote control. Rumor has it that Samsung's developing a digitizer-free S Pen for future models to cut weight and thickness even further. Cameras: sharper, wider, and AI smarter. This is where things heat up. The S26 Ultra might look familiar on paper, but it's smarter than ever behind the scenes. 200MP main sensor. Still the proven ISOCELL HP2, now upgraded with an f1.4 aperture, up from f1.7. That's 47% more light, translating to better night shots, richer colors, and cleaner HDR. 50MP5x periscope lens. Same hardware, wider f2.9 aperture for improved low-light zoom. 50MP ultra-wide, returning unchanged, but still excellent for landscape and macro work. 12MP selfie camera, all-new sensor with sharper detail and truer skin tones. The 3x telephoto remains controversial. Leaks are split between a 12MP and a 50MP upgrade. Either way, expect AI-enhanced zoom clarity through Samsung's new Galaxy AI. Imaging engine. No 1-inch sensor yet. Samsung's keeping things compact, but software-based virtual aperture now delivers DSLR-like depth effects for portraits and close-ups. Pro Video gets a major boost. The S26 Ultra introduces APV codec, Advanced Professional Video, Samsung's answer to Apple ProRes. Expect cinematic 12-bit color, HDR log recording, 444 chroma subsampling, and 20% smaller file sizes than ProRes. Videos can now save directly to external USB-C drives, supporting Pro Video, Portrait Video, Slow Motion, and Hyperlapse modes. Plus, a new LUT editor in Gallery lets creators apply color grades instantly. Frame rate flexibility? You got it. 1080p at 2550 100 FPS, 4K at 2550 100 FPS, and 8K at 25 FPS. This is Samsung finally going all in on pro-level filmmaking. Processor and performance. The 2nm revolution under the hood. Samsung's giving us its most powerful setup yet. Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5 globally, 3nm TSMC, Exynos 2600, 2nm GAA for select regions. Both chips promise monster performance. but the Exynos 2600 could surprise everyone with superior efficiency and faster on-device AI. Expect 16GB LPDDR5X RAM as standard and up to 1TB UFS 4.1 storage. That extra memory isn't just for multitasking. It powers real-time translation, generative image tools, and live video editing directly on the device. Cooling is another highlight. The S26 Ultra reportedly gets a 1.2x larger vapor chamber, keeping the phone cool during long gaming or AI sessions. Battery and charging, finally faster. The battery remains $5,000 mAh, but optimization takes center stage. Samsung may introduce 60W wired charging and possibly 65W in testing, plus 25W wireless with QI2 magnetic support. If the leaks are accurate, a full charge in under 30 minutes could finally become reality. Reverse charging might be limited, but the gain in speed will be worth it. Efficiency improvements in the 2nm chip also promise longer real-world endurance. Software. One UI 8.5 on Android 16. The Galaxy S26 Ultra will debut with One UI 8.5, powered by Android 16, bringing Galaxy AI 2.0 to life. Expect smarter voice commands and multi-AI assistant support, animated material, U-theming upgraded lock and home screen customization, AI photo and video editing tools, seamless multitasking on foldables, new watermark options, and visual HDR enhancements, and, yes, Samsung promises 7 years of major updates and 7 years of security patches. That's iPhone-level longevity on Android. Price. Colors and release date launch expected, February 25, 2026. Global sales. Early March 2026, starting price likely $1,299 USD with possible bundles and trade-in offers. Expect titanium gray, black, blue, and emerald green, plus online exclusive special editions later. A price increase of $50–100 could happen. But given the hardware and AI jump, it's easily justified. Bonus, mystery box program pre-order through Samsung.com, and you might score the Galaxy S26 Ultra mystery box, packed with goodies like 65W fast charger, premium case and screen protector cleaning kit, and phone stand. Random tech accessories for lucky winners. Signups are free, and every verified purchase gets a guaranteed 65W charger, whether Samsung confirms 60W charging or not. Final verdict: Samsung's redemption year. The Galaxy S26 Ultra isn't just an iteration, it's a rebirth of Samsung's flagship line, with smarter AI, pro-grade video tools, improved low-light photography, faster charging, and the sleekest design yet. This could easily be the most complete smartphone of 2026. If Samsung nails pricing and performance, the S26 Ultra could dethrone every Android rival and maybe even take a few bites out of Apple's loyal base.